Project code ITPS02 project title a unified power flow controller using a power electronics integrated transformer. For the power quality improvement in a transmission line, the many compensation scheme is used like SVC, StatCam, DVR, and thyristor based compensation, the UPQC. Here, the UPFC scheme is used to improve the power quality in a transmission line. UPFC means Unified Power Flow Controller. It has a combination of STATCOM and DVR. And this concept is implemented in Custom Power Active Transformer (CPAT). The CPAT structure integrates the three single phase transformer into one Sun series combination transformer. The existing concept is STATCOM and DVR. STATCOM is a Sun compensation, DVR is CS compensation. So both having their own advantage and disadvantage. To add up the both advantage and form the proposed UPFC. The existing have a harmonic. It is not suited for harmonic elimination. The existing concept is only suited for voltage sag, voltage swell, and the reactive power compensation. The type of quality improvement only implemented in the existing scheme, but in a proposed scheme, is a CPAT based UPFC controller which is used to eliminate the harmonics in a transmission line. Proposed concept advantage is power flow control, reactive power compensation, and improve the voltage regulation and harmonic elimination. This is a black diagram, the CPAT, and it is a input, it is a load side output in between transmission line. For the UPFC, the both shunt and series compensation is used. So shunt compensation, it is series compensation. Here the controller for shunt and controller for series. For series compensation, series winding is used. For shunt compensation, shunt winding is used. The CPAT scheme is it is combine the both end by using the other line, shunt winding and series winding side. So this concept is very novel and which is called as a custom power active transformer. These two winding are combined to form the custom power active transformer. Application: the power quality improvement application, grid connected application. This concept is implemented using MATLAB 2015 version, and to generate the pulses in a hardware prototype, microprocessor lab is fed the program to the PIC microcontroller. These are the minimum requirement: power MOSFET, transformer, PIC microcontroller, choke for creating a power quality problem, and other active and passive components. Thank you.